Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install any Epson printer driver in Windows 11 in 2026. Now, first of all, on your PC or laptop, you just have to simply open any of your web browser. So when you opened it, you just have to simply search for Epson printer driver download. So when you search for it, you will find the first link from Epson Connects. So you just have to simply click on this link. Then you will be landed here on the official website of epson.com. Now once you are here, click on the option of support, then click on the option of printers. Over here, it is going to show you some of the popular printers lists. So here you can either click on all-in-ones, or you can also search for your model here on the top, then click on the option of search. Now here, when you click on the option of all-in-one, it is going to show you all of the popular series. So here, let's say I've selected the 80 series. Now it is going to give you the name of the series. So among these, you just have to select that particular printer driver which you want to basically download. For example, let's say I want to download the driver for Epson ET 2700. Here on this particular page, simply scroll down, then click on the option of downloads. Now wait for some time until it's detect your operating system, and here once it is do so, you just have to simply click on this drop down menu again, then select your operating system, which is Windows 11 in my case. After selecting it, click on the option of drivers, and from there you can simply download any of the printers drivers from Epson's official website. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.